more breaking news where we have come to know, this is source-based information, by the way, that discussion among top Congress leaders, including CM Revanth Reddy, took place over the Allu Arjun issue. The discussions were about the Congress leaders speaking to media or publicly on the Allu Arjun issue. Sources say that CM Revanth Reddy asked the Telangana PCC to look over that the party leaders do not speak on this issue unnecessarily, as the matter is also almost over. Okay, so this is what we're learning of right now, viewers. I want to go back to my colleague. If we have Aneri back, let's go back to my colleague. Talks over Allu Arjun issue among the Congress leaders, and what exactly happened in that discussion, because remember that this issue has reached a level where we have seen the police also, showing videos of that incident which happened at Sandhya Theatre, where CM Revanth Reddy has also said, indirectly that it was Allu Arjun not taking permission of the police, and that's what led to this unfortunate incident. What exactly was the conclusion of that meeting, Aneri?
Well, Shivangi's sources have told, like the top sources have said us that there was a meeting, basically there was an internal discussion that went on with the top leaders of the Congress party, including the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, and there seemed to be a conversation that took place where we see that there was, the Chief Minister has advised and asked the leaders and MPs, MLAs not to speak to media or publicly over the Allu Arjun issue, because they say that the issue is almost over. The matter has almost come to an end. That's the reason why he has advised the Congress leaders or the MPs, MLAs not to make a comment or not to speak to media over the Allu Arjun matter. But also at the same time, we have been seeing that how the Congress party has gone on a defensive mode. Yesterday also, when we happened to speak to the Congress MP Chamla Kiran Kumar Reddy, where he has stated that how the police officials are doing the investigation, and also at the same time the protest which had broken out at Allu Arjun's residence. He says that one of the protesters was earlier with the BRS. So definitely the Congress has gone on a defensive mode, but also on the other side we are seeing the top sources have said that Revanth Reddy has basically advised its leaders not to make unnecessary comments. But remember how there was a massive war of words also which went on the floor of the assembly earlier last week, and following which we had seen that there was a protest that broke out at Allu Arjun's residence. And now latest development that's coming in is where Allu Arjun will be appearing before the police as he is being served notice by the police officials for further questioning into this matter.
All right, thanks for joining us with all those details, Aneri, because we will be coming back to you once more, because obviously 11 a.m. is the time when Allu Arjun will be appearing. Let's, for now, move ahead to the big other breaking news coming in. Illegal racket has been busted, and this is in connection with Bangladeshi immigrants. That is right. We're getting to know major racket facilitating illegal immigration of Bangladeshi nationals busted in the national capital. Fake Aadhaar, voter ID cards, other documents created using forged IDs through a fake website. 11 accused, repeat, 11 accused have been arrested, including document forgers, Aadhaar operators and tech experts behind fake websites. According to police, illegal immigrants use jungle routes and express trains to immigrate into Indian territory. Big update coming in. Bangladesh illegal, I repeat, Bangladesh illegal immigration racket has been busted, and those are the pictures as well. You can see those are the pictures coming in as well. Crack down on illegal infiltration, and the immigration racket has been busted, and clearly there has been some recoveries made as well. I repeat, fake Aadhaars, fake Aadhaars, voter ID cards, other documents created using forged IDs through a fake website. 11 accused have been arrested, including document forgers, Aadhaar operators and tech experts behind fake websites. So we will of course be getting you more updates on the story. But there has been a huge crackdown on illegal infiltration, whether it be Bangladeshi immigrants who are here illegally using fake identities to hide their real identity. And we've also seen similar cases down south where Pakistani nationals have been using fake Aadhaar IDs and other IDs. I want to go across to my colleague joining us, Piyush Johri. And Piyush, if you could take our viewers through this latest coming in, because we have seen a big effort on making sure that people with fake identities, they should, of course, be under the scanner. They should be moved out. And that's what we have seen here, where some fake IDs have been recovered, fake Aadhaar cards, fake voter IDs, a huge, huge bust when it comes to illegal immigration. Go ahead.